In the world of vegetables, onions might just be the unsung heroes. Despite their reputation for causing a few tears, these versatile bulbs are teeming with a wealth of health benefits. As we delve into the fascinating realm of onions, we'll not only uncover their remarkable advantages for your well-being but also explore their surprising role in enhancing relationships and intimacy. The complex world of onions. Onions are like life itself, sometimes stinky and tear-inducing, but also complex and beneficial. While onions may have an unassuming image, they're actually powerhouses of nutrients. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, onions offer an array of health-boosting elements that your body craves. Health and onions in history. Tracing back thousands of years to ancient Egypt, onions have been a cherished food staple across cultures. But did you know they hold a special place in supporting heart health, lowering cholesterol, and reducing the risk of heart disease? These potent bulbs have a heart-loving relationship with your body. Now let's talk about its benefits. Before starting the video, please write your city name in the comment box so that we can know from which city you are watching our video. Number 1. Antioxidant Richness. Onions are not only flavorful additions to your meals but also a treasure trove of antioxidants. With over 25 varieties of antioxidants, onions combat diseases like diabetes, heart issues, and even cancer. They're your natural allies against health adversities. Number 2. Fighting disease and infections. The onion's defensive arsenal extends to battling dangerous bacteria. Their potent compounds help thwart bacterial growth, making them a formidable ally against diseases like E. coli. These properties hold particular significance in parts of the world with public health concerns. Number 3. Gut health and digestion. The dynamic duo of fiber and probiotics found in onions works wonders for your gut health and digestion. Packed with these gut-friendly elements, onions enhance your digestive system and fortify your immune function. Number 4. Supporting bone density. Onion juice isn't just a kitchen ingredient, it's a boon for your bones. Studies show that consuming onion juice can improve bone density, providing protection against osteoporosis and its debilitating effects. Number 5. A boost for the immune system. Polyphenols present in onions act as powerful antioxidants, bolstering your immune system and guarding against harmful free radicals. Strong immunity is your body's ultimate shield. Let onions be your allies in this battle. Number 6. Healing properties. Embraced for their healing properties through the ages, onions have been known to reduce inflammation and promote infection healing. From soothing bee stings to aiding overall recovery, onions are nature's remedy. Number 7. Enhancing breathing and oral health. Onions can even assist with breathing and oral health. Quercetin, an antioxidant in onions, helps reduce histamine, alleviating sneezing and itching. Raw onions can also strengthen teeth and combat oral bacteria, giving you something extra to smile about. Number 8. Incorporating onions into your diet. Unlocking the full potential of onions is a culinary adventure waiting to happen. From chili to tacos, onions effortlessly blend into your favorite recipes. They're not only nutritious but also elevate the flavors of your meals. Number 9. Benefits for sex life. Onions hold remarkable benefits for men's sex life. They are known as aphrodisiac foods, strengthening reproductive organs and increasing testosterone production. Elevated testosterone levels enhance sexual stamina in men, making onions a valuable addition to their diet. Moreover, onions contribute to increased sperm count, improve sperm quality, and enhance sperm motility. Additionally, onions play a significant role in boosting libido and manpower by elevating semen levels. These potent bulbs even address sexual dysfunctions like erectile dysfunction and prevent premature ejaculation, making them a natural ally for a satisfying and fulfilling sex life. With their multitude of health benefits, onions have earned their place as a nutritional powerhouse. As you harness the potential of these incredible bulbs, remember that your well-being matters. Select the finest onions, store them wisely, and embrace the transformative effects they offer. Don't forget to share your thoughts and onion-inspired dishes in the comments below. If you enjoyed this eye-opening exploration, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Stay healthy, stay flavorful, and let onions be your everyday heroes in both health and intimacy.